Hi there, I'm Doug of Stone and Wired Adventures. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and please follow along with us as we bring you on our rockhounding adventures. Thanks.
Stoned and Wired Adventures. This is what passes for market day. We have a couple of vendors on the side of the road. This lady does all kinds of baked treats. Lovely stuff. Doug's just going out to drop off a business card for her. Who we are and what we do. There's a vegetable vendor. Their farm is close by. And there's this bakery lady with all kinds of baked treats. There used to be a market, kind of like a farmer's market. They call it an open air market. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to have run for last year and this year because of COVID. So these vendors set up at the side and you buy from them there, but there aren't nearly as many as there would be at a market day. Last time we were through, years and years back, we drove by here and somebody had some fish for sale, straight off the boat, cod, and it was so good. It was unbelievably good. But for now, there's just the two. We will keep an eye on it though, see if anybody else shows up. And I think today's going to be a laundry day. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, starting about 1. It's about 10 now, and it looks beautiful, but we know what's coming. So it's going to be laundry. The local laundromat. Nothing exciting, but important to know. There is one here in Happy Valley, Goose Bay, and it only takes loonies. So make sure you have some loonies if you stop in to do the wash. Such exciting times with Stoned and Wired Adventures. We have got rid of our load, but there's a few. We had one of those worst case scenarios things. There's lineup at the dump station. The guy in front of us actually, unfortunately, had his tank dump at his feet. All over his feet, and we were saying poor guy, and that's worst case scenario. But of course it didn't have the dug, but what did happen was the hose from the sewer fell down into the dump hole and was blocking the pipe. He couldn't get it up, he couldn't get it down, nothing.
Couldn't reach it.
He couldn't reach it. We tried my cane. That didn't work. I have no idea how this other guy, kind gentleman, he came.
Yep.
And
He said that he had done the same thing. He got one of those long barbecue hot dog thingies and stretched it out and put the forks in it. And he was able to reach in and hook it.
all right, so new piece of equipment for
Yep.
Stoned and Wired Adventures is going to be one of those long fork stick thingies. It can probably be stored right there with their sewer hose. Thank you, kind gentlemen, with the big RV in Happy Valley, Goose Bay on Sunday, the 19th of September, 2021. Thanks again, Bud. You really came through for us. Rocks, trees, and old people. That's us, Stoned and Wired Adventures.